This is how I draw a rose. Draw a little squiggly for the beginning, middle. I'm gonna draw a big one. I usually draw little ones, but I'm gonna draw a big one. A little squiggly. It's a hot little squiggly. You draw like spades, like upside down spades, I guess. Kind of spades. See, kind of spades. It's my sound effects. Like that ninja guy. Draw. I want to draw 5 of these. I probably drew those too little though. So I might have to draw more. Some people might say, hey, that's not a rose. Whatever. When you draw a rose, show me it's not a rose. Alright. Yeah. I guess I'll draw a big one just to make it 5. Sorry about the camera work. It's hard to draw and hold it with one hand. Then I like to make little hearts right here. Oops, my pencil fell in my cereal bowl. It's a little footnote for you guys. A little heart. Guess I'm gonna be drawing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of those. Also, 5 hearts. I know it doesn't really look like a rose yet, but we'll get there. Another heart. One more heart. Shit. Seems all my pencils are trying to go into my cereal bowl. It's another little footnote. A little heart. Alright. Well, here's the hearts. Now we're going to draw more spades around the hearts. Upside down spades that aren't really spades, but whatever. A little bit bigger though. A little bigger. Ooh, that's gonna be a tricky one. This is taking a really long time. For actually watching all of this, I'm surprised. I would have cut off in the first minute. It's like, who's this guy drawing roses? I want to see frickin' watch this 100 times and still laugh. That's the kind of stuff I watch. That's a big one. Or the things where they're near death. Like, you know what? Let me just add a. That looks a little off. I'm just gonna add another little heart. Let me draw the spade first. Just adding that because it looks a little off. I usually draw them small. So I guess my scaling's a little off, but I wish that would have been connected right there, but whatever. And now I'm going to draw 4 big spades for like leaves, like whatever they are. I'm going to draw 4 big spades. Oops, I kind of wasn't recording that. If you mess up on that part, it's not my fault. You should have been watch this 100 times and still laugh. What's wrong with you guys? Watching a tutorial on how to draw roses. Oops, I kind of missed that part too. Yeah, I'm not a very good drawer, but I mean, I try. Let me back this up a little bit. Put that right over there. That kind of looks weird. And as you can see, it is now coming together as a gigantic heart rose with a pinwheel in the middle. Yep, and I'm gonna call that a rose. Let me add a little. See, there's the stem right there. And this is what I'm doing for my girlfriend right now. There's a lot of roses. I made like a fence with like wire or whatever those things are called going around them. Little leaves. Little green leaves right there. Come on, camera, get in the focus. Alright, let me get it. I'm gonna color them all like that. But yeah, I'm doing that for my girlfriend. She might get a tattoo of it. I'm obviously gonna have the people draw it better, but yep, that's the 8-minute tutorial on how to draw a heart rose. Have fun.